The president of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, tests positive for coronavirus. A reminder that the pandemic affects everyone.
The virus doesn't really know who we are, whether we're prince or pauper. We're equally vulnerable, and I think what it really highlights is our collective vulnerability to this disease.
After the threat, the US gives formal notification that it's leaving the World Health Organization. Despite the spike of coronavirus cases and the reintroduction of restrictions in Florida, plans for the phased reopening of Walt Disney World remain intact. Theme parks will open from July the 11th, starting with Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, with the remainder to follow days later. Disney says enhanced health and safety measures are in place, with capacity also limited. Plans to reopen Disneyland in California remain on hold, though. A forest fire in eastern Ukraine has killed 5 people and put another 9 in hospital. The Ukrainian emergency services said the blaze had destroyed more than 100 houses in and around a village just north of the rebel-controlled city of Luhansk. It took some 360 firefighters to bring the flames under control.
Thousands of protesters have clashed with riot police in the Serbian capital over a weekend curfew announced in Belgrade, the government's response to a rise in virus infections. Crowds stormed the parliament building, demanding the resignation of the president. They accuse him of mishandling the crisis. The government lifted restrictions ahead of an election in June, which was won by his party.
The World Health Organization has acknowledged for the first time that Covid-19 might be spread through tiny particles that linger in the air. It says the new findings need further assessment, but could not yet rule out airborne transmission in crowded, closed or poorly ventilated areas. If confirmed, its thought advice on how to prevent the spread of the virus might have to change, including the more widespread use of masks and greater social distancing in public places.